Hello, my name's Tom Starkey. I'm the Assistive Technology Advisor for the University of Leeds. This is an introduction to the speech-to-text workshop that we're running that allows students and staff to explore lots of different options when it comes to dictation and orientation programs that use voice rather than traditional keyboard inputs. Although often an essential technology for students with a range of disabilities, speech-to-text programs can be used by everyone. In the workshop, we'll look at different options. We'll look at some of the ways that you can optimize your environment to ensure accuracy and workflow. And of course, there'll be a chance to try out the range of programs available at the moment. If speech-to-text is something that you think you're interested in, you're more than welcome to join our workshop. There's a sign-in link on our Minerva page. We really look forward to seeing you.